Nicholas, do you... Are you mad at the hiccups, huh? Are you telling the hiccups, go away?